All right. Wrap up the season series with Wilmington today. Got to have an answer. I know who we're getting in game 2 because we're going to get a lefty, so that's Matt Boyko. Up in the air between 3 guys on who I think we could get in game 1. Kyle Maxwell would be one. Grad senior. We'll look at Kyle Maxwell. Not going to overpower you. Low walk, low strikeout guy. Just going to fill up the zone. He does mix very well, and he will pitch backwards. If we get Maxwell, I think we just need to look to attack up in the zone. He's going to give us pitches to hit, and we got to make him pay for his mistakes. Fastball, curveball, changeup guy. Mid-80s. See if we can get a good look at some of the breaking balls here. Regardless of who we get in game 1, right-handed pitcher, I do like our matchup. Maxwell on the year, 7 starts, 3-1, 30 innings pitched, 35 hits. He's walked 11 and struck out 21. So, guy that's in the zone, going to attack, not going to punch us out a ton. I think regardless, the approach today needs to be look away, react in. Obviously, we saw the other day Wilmington is willing to come in. I do think that Warrington has the best stuff on the staff. So that was a challenging matchup for us. I thought we handled things pretty well, just to come up with a hit in key spots. But I think our approach needs to be look away still and react in. We're quick enough that if we get the fastball in, that we can react to it. But regardless, we need to stay on the fastball. Starter option number 2, Big Nate McClain, upper 80s, low 90s, right-handed pitcher. Big kid, longer arm action, ball's going to get on you quick. He actually played with Marlin and might have played with Kelch at Lackawanna, definitely played with Marlin. Wants to attack with the fastball. Has a really good tight breaking ball with depth. I think with him, again, we need to stay on the fastball. I think the curveball is really good. So it's not a pitch we really want to seek out and attack. But if we're on the fastball and we see it pop up out of the hand and it is up, I think we can take a healthy hack at it. We want to make him pay for that backup breaking ball. But everything that we've seen on him, now he's coming off an injury, so I don't think it's likely that he starts. But should he, I want to make sure that we get a good look at him. So again, upper 80s, low 90s fastball, really tight breaking ball off of it. If he pitches Again, look away, react in. I do think they're going to try to get in, especially on our guys, depending on the situation. You kind of got to think through your at-bats right there. Nate McLean on the year, just 3 games appeared. He got hurt after his first start, but he was their opening day starter. He went 4 innings against New Haven. The third option would be freshman Tyler Reinert, who I don't have much on. We don't have any video on him, unfortunately. He's got 9 appearances, but he started 3 games. 21 innings pitched, 27 hits, 16 walks, and 17 strikeouts. He's a mid to upper 80s right-handed pitcher. Conrad kid, Kyle Walker knows these guys very well, being a proud Conrad alum. But I think he's the third option for game 1. Game 2, no doubt we are getting Matt Boyko, I would assume. They have a couple left-handed pitching options. Anthony Giordano, who started 2 games, but then Matt Boyko, who started 5. I would assume it would be Boyko. Boyko we faced last year, jumped out to a quick start on him, and then we kind of petered out, scored 5 runs early, and then had nothing to show for it the rest of the game. He kind of settled in. Matt, 29 and 2/3 innings pitched, 24 hits, 14 runs, 14 walks, 34 strikeouts. So he's striking out a little bit more than 1 an inning. Pull some video here on Boyko. I know we have some. He is a graduate student. He's been at Wilmington for a couple years. Big, tall lefty. Like all their guys, wants to attack. He's going to be out over the plate. Let's see if I can pull some of our video from last year, because I know it's tagged with miles per hour. Low to mid 80s left-handed pitcher. Longer arm action. He's got a little bit more experience. So it looks like he's in the zone a lot more than what he was last year. Last year he was a little bit erratic. But likes to work down. He will back foot the breaking ball. When he throws that breaking ball, we just need to get that up in the zone. It's Johnny from last year. I know he got Gare there with a K, but don't worry, Gare got him back next inning. 3-1 fastball to Marlin. Get up out of here. So a guy that we have experience against, we got to see for 6 innings last year. And out over the plate with him, we just really have to stay disciplined to the strike zone and look for the ball up. Did Gare dirty with that video, so let me make sure I get him his redemption right here. Whack him. That would get you tossed this year, by the way. I know Billy's looking at the ball. Mrs. Guerreri's fired up. So is Skip's dad. But that bat flip, little too aggressive. Welcome back, Gary. All right, boys, let's take care of business today. Go out, attack the day.